Hi guys, it's Molly from Nookal. Today I want to share with you a new feature that's just been released into Nookal. It allows you to add personalised reference numbers that will be displayed on all of your invoices. It's a great tool to use if you need to list your provider number, APHRA number, and SIRA number, or anything else that you might like to have on your invoice. So let me show you how it works. This setting can be altered for each individual provider. So we need to navigate to Setup, Users, Staff. Once we have opened up the staff profile, let's scroll all the way down to our invoice terms, where we can see the invoice reference option. Here you can add in as many additional reference numbers with labels so that there are no issues when it comes time to claim. I'm going to add a SIRA and APHRA number and then save the changes. Now let's go check this out in action. Here we have Piper's newly created invoice, and as you can see, now we have Piper's provider number, as well as the 2 additional numbers that we entered into their staff profile. Our new invoice reference tool allows you to further customize your invoices at a practitioner level to make sure all your claiming is as seamless as possible. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure you press the like button. This helps us to know what topics you want to see more of. And if you'd like to see more content like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel.